Most people get this wrong. They think once they earn points in money, well, cashing out is instant and automatic. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming every reward app works like a direct cash wallet. Here's the truth no one tells you. Withdrawal in apps like Money, well, depends on points conversion, eligibility rules, and available redemption options in your region. In this video, you'll learn exactly how MoneyWell withdrawal works in 2026, step by step, what you need before cashing out, and the common mistakes that delay payouts. Let's start from the beginning. First, open the MoneyWell app and go to the section usually labeled Rewards, Wallet, or Redeem. This is where your earned points are stored, and where withdrawal options are shown. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You will not see a direct cash out button in most cases. Instead, you will see redemption options like gift cards or reward conversions depending on what the app currently supports in your country. But here's the problem. Many users like Alex assume their full balance is ready to withdraw. In reality, only verified and eligible points can be redeemed. Some points may still be pending based on activity validation. Next, check the minimum redemption threshold. Most reward apps require you to reach a specific point level before you can request a payout. If you are below that threshold, the withdrawal option will stay locked. This is where most people fail. They rush into withdrawal without checking account status or completing required steps like email verification or profile setup. Missing these steps can delay or block your request. In a minute, I'll show you how to avoid withdrawal delays completely. Once you select a redemption option, confirm the request. The app will usually process it automatically or send it for review depending on the reward type. After submitting, always check your email or in-app notifications. That's where updates like approval, processing, or completion are shown. Now let's talk timing. Withdrawal processing is not instant. It can take anywhere from a few hours to several days depending on reward type, system load, and verification requirements. Another important tip. Always double-check your account details before redeeming. Small errors can cause failed or delayed transactions. So how does MoneyWell withdrawal work in 2026? You earn points. Check eligibility. Reach the minimum threshold. Select a redemption option, confirm the request, and wait for processing. It sounds simple, but the details matter. The key takeaway is this. Withdrawal is not just a button. It is a process that depends on rules inside the app. If you understand those rules, you avoid delays and frustration. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe for more app tutorials, and comment below if you want a full walkthrough of earning faster in MoneyWell.